Hello, dear students. Today's topic is exterior angle property. That is, here for triangle ABC, you can see that the side AC produced to D. That is, the side AC for the triangle ABC, the side AC produced to D means extend the side AC. Then you can see that one angle is formed in the exterior. Already you know that for the triangle there are three interior angles. 1, 2 and 3. Not only that one more angle is formed in the exterior. Then exterior angle property is, yes, the measure of angle 4 is, the sum of measure of angle 1 and measure of angle 2. That is, measure of angle 4 equal to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. That is the exterior angle property. That means the measure of angle, the exterior angle is sum of the opposite interior angle. Here angle 1 and 2, angle 2 is opposite to angle 4. Angle 1 is opposite to angle 4. We can't consider angle 3 because angle 3 is not the opposite angle. Angle 1 and 2 are the opposite to angle 4. Then here we can tell measure of angle 4 equal to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. Okay. Yes, we can consider one more example. Okay. Here name P, Q, R. If I extended the side PQ or QP, yes, if I extended the side, okay, you can see that one more angle. Yes, one angle is forming here. Actually, three angles in the interior, so fourth angle. So, we can mark here its two opposite angles are here. If total, yes, there are total how many angles? Three interior angles. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Then here, by using exterior angle sum property, we can tell measure of angle 4. That is measure of angle 4 equal to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3. 2 and 3 are opposite to 4. We can't consider angle 1. Okay, these 2 and 3 are opposite to 4. Okay, dear children. Now we can do some problems given in the exercise. Yes, exercise 6.3. In the given figure, QP and RQ of triangle PQR are produced to the point S and T respectively. Here, a triangle PQR and which other side produced? QP and RQ. First, we can consider PQR. A triangle PQR. We can name that one as, yes, as in the question, PQR. Here P, here Q, here R. Next, yes, QR produced to T, PQ produced to S. QR produced to T. So, this is the side QR produced to T and PQ produced to here and S. Okay, two sides produced. Next, what the measurement given? This angle 110, then that angle 135. This one 110. Here angle is this angle 110. This angle is 135. Then what we have to find out? Angle SPR equal to 135 and angle PQT 110. Find PRQ. We have to find PRQ. Okay. Identify PRQ. Angle PRQ means this is the middle one. PRQ. Yes, dear children, from this we can take two exterior angles 110. So to find out that one, we can name this one as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Then by using the property, what we can tell, angle 2 plus 3 equal to 110. Is it? Angle 2 plus 3 equal to angle 110, because it's by using exterior angle property, you can write angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 110. Why? This 110 is for this exterior angle, angle 2 and 3 are opposite angles. Let it be there. Then it is given that, yes, angle SPR, this SPR equal to 135. Then what about SPR and angle 2? SPR and angle 2 are linear pair. That also we can consider. That is SPR means 135. 135 plus angle 2 equal to 180. If it is so, what is the measure of angle 2? Okay, dear children, 135 plus angle 2 is 180 because they are linear pair. So, angle 2 equal to 180 minus 135. 180 minus 135 equal to 45 degree. Okay, if angle 2 equal to 45 degree, then angle 2 plus angle 3 110. So, angle 2 equal to 45. 45 plus, in equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Then we can substitute angle 2 equal to 45 in equation number, you can write like this. Yes, angle 2 equal to 45 in equation number 1. Yes, substitute that. 2 plus 3 equal to 110. That is 45 plus angle 3 equal to 110. So, what is angle 3? Measure of angle 3 equal to 110 minus 45. Yes, equal to 65 degree. So, we got angle 3 equal to 65 degree. Actually, what we have to find out, is it angle 3? We got angle 3 equal to 65, angle angle 2 equal to 45. Actually, we have to find out angle PRQ. PRQ we represented by angle 3. So, what we can consider, angle PRQ equal to 65 degree. 65 degree. Okay, dear children.